In 2026, we find ourselves drowning in a sea of disposable tech, products designed with an expiry date built in. They promise convenience, then deliver frustration, and the inevitable replacement cycle. But there are still tools built for the long haul, designed to endure, to truly streamline. For those who demand a professional standard, there is the EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum, Automatic Dustpan. Take the core engine, a 1400-watt vacuum system. That sounds like overkill for sweeping. But this isn't about raw power. It's a quiet standard. It means when you're rushing a cleanup on a chaotic Monday morning, needing to prepare for a client, that last stubborn line of dust and hair vanishes instantly. No multiple passes, no bending. 5 minutes saved, just gone. Every single time. Pick this up. Feel the density. It's not a hollow plastic shell. It's a robust corded canister, vacuum designed for commercial abuse. There is zero flex in the housing, hinting at the high-efficiency filters working tirelessly inside. This isn't just about cleaning your space. It's about owning a professional-grade tool that prevents future errors, a foundational piece that doesn't force you into the replacement cycle. This offers clear long-term value. Now, it isn't perfect. Its footprint, while compact for its professional-grade performance, means it demands its dedicated corner. It's a small professional compromise, perhaps, for a space-conscious setup, but once it's in place, once it integrates into your workflow, that initial consideration fades into irrelevance. The sheer time saved and the consistency it delivers quickly dwarf that minor aesthetic point. This isn't a purchase. It's an investment in your productivity, your time, and frankly, your sanity. An essential piece of long-term value for any professional environment looking for a significant 2026 update. Amazon prices on this unit are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stocks.